Google NotebookLM is a powerful tool for academic writers. It can help you summarize papers, extract relevant data, and find common across themes, multiple papers. And it's free to use. But many academics don't know about it. Here's how to use NotebookLM for academic writing. 1. Go to NotebookLM, Google and click on Try NotebookLM in the top right corner. This will open NotebookLM for you. 2. To get started, click on New Notebook. NotebookLM will ask you to upload sources. You can upload from your Google Drive or from your computer. As soon as you upload a paper, NotebookLM will summarize it for you. 3. NotebookLM will suggest a few questions relevant to the source. You can use these suggestions or ask your own questions. NotebookLM will answer your question with references to the selected paper. It will not consult any other source to answer your question. Click on a citation and NotebookLM will take you to the relevant passage in the paper. 4. If you find an answer helpful, you can convert it into a note. Click on the pin in the top right corner of an answer and NotebookLM will convert it into a note. You can also add notes of your own. Click on Add Notes and write your own note. 5. You can find common themes across multiple papers. Open a new notebook and upload multiple papers relevant to your project. Then simply ask NotebookLM to find common themes across them. This will save you a lot of time. 6. The great thing about NotebookLM is, it will not go beyond the sources you upload. For example, I asked it to tell me a joke. NotebookLM said the sources did not contain any jokes. 7. If a paper is open source, you can simply paste its URL and NotebookLM will retrieve and summarize it for you. Found this video on NotebookLM helpful? Follow me for more videos on how to use AI hacks for academic purposes. Stay tuned for more updates.